everyone, what's up? You are watching Section 51. I am DozGeek and I am with you today to discover a new subject on Section 51. We will see it together in a few minutes, but before discover a new article, before discovering some news about all these subjects that we are talking about on Section 51, I want to thank you again for watching us, for watching our videos, for following us on social networks, and for subscribing to the channel, because it's very helpful for us, and it's very motivating for us for our work. So thank you to all of you. Thank you for your help, for your support, and again for your kind comments, for your kind reactions, for your likes, for all of your hearts and all of these things. Thank you again. So I'm always very happy to spend that moment with you in a new video. I like to be in that spaceship, the Bellerophon on Section 51. I like the concept, I like all this. I like UFOs, UFO sightings. I like to talk about all these subjects. And today, guys, I hope you're ready. We are going to talk about the possibility of some interdimensional portal or Stargate that could exist in the north of Las Vegas, USA. More precisely, it's about the Area 51. It's an article dealing with Area 51, and it talks about gravitational anomaly that would have been recorded in the north of Las Vegas, and that could suggest the presence of a Stargate in the area. Okay? So please let me invite you to the web in order to read this new article right now. Okay, here we are back on Section 51. We are back on the web. We are on the website monkeyandelf.com. I like this website. That's very nice. Good work. And always in the unknown category. Area 51, a gravitational anomaly recorded north of Las Vegas. The presence of a Stargate is suspected. Published on May the 5th, 2020. So this is very recent, fresh news. So we have a very beautiful illustration of an interdimensional portal that could be a way of traveling through space, an alternative way to the travel, the journey using supernovae power, like we talked in the previous video. So paranormal investigator Joshua Warren says he found a place in the desert north of Las Vegas where time would slow down for 20 milliseconds. Wow! Warren is convinced that this is a gravitational anomaly. In this place, there could be a Stargate or a wormhole representing one temporal gravitational dilatation, which it is the effect that time flows at different speeds in regions of different gravitational potential, and the higher the gravitational potential, for example near a black hole, the slower the time will pass. Warren, interviewed by the channel Paranormal Paparazzi of Travel Channel, claims to have measured the time frame in specific areas between Las Vegas and Area 51 using a differential time meter. Warren recorded a measurement which could demonstrate that the time at that point had slowed down. Temporal expansion and DT meter. The temporal gravitational dilation is the effect that time flows at different speeds in regions of different gravitational potential, and the higher the gravitational potential, the slower the time will pass. Yes, we ever said this. Albert Einstein included this effect in the theory of relativity, and since then the time dilation has been confirmed by the proofs of general relativity. Some solutions of Einstein's equations provide for the possibility of traveling in space-time, but the most extraordinary forecasts of this theory have not yet been fully verified. The meter used by Warren is a DT meter, which is a differential time sensor invented by the Silicon Valley engineer Ron Heath. According to Warren, the measurement carried out reveals an inexplicable dilation of the measured time, which could only occur in the presence of black holes or wormholes. Warren also claims that such an event should not occur in normal conditions, since its temporal measurement would challenge by far the laws of physics. This shouldn't happen unless there is some kind of unknown technology to be tested nearby that can affect the environment. It is not yet officially cleared what is really behind this strange phenomenon recorded by Warren, but the investigator is determined to conduct investigations in Nevada with the hope of identifying what lies behind the temporal anomaly. Certainly, these areas that are close to Area 51 are in turn the epicenter of mysterious UFO sightings of mysterious objects that emerge from the mountains. Perhaps these gravitational anomalies are due to the presence of real stargates connected with the S4 base. Or are there unknown underground bases that we don't know if they are of alien or terrestrial origin? The latest indications of the studies made by Warren in the area of close to Area 51 assume that a gravitational shield is used in the super secret base to hide a large dimensional portal. The portal or Stargate could be used for travel of interstellar ships built with alien retro technology. This is one of the reasons why there is maximum surveillance in a place where if you enter, they first kill you and then interrogate you. Yes, but that's your conclusion. Time warp discovered outside Las Vegas.
Was right here in this spot just outside of the city, and what he found is something we would call a time warp. Joshua Warren is a paranormal researcher who's been all over southern Nevada measuring the rate of time.
The weird thing, the real holy grail here, was what we picked up with this brand new piece of technology.
The recently invented differential time
on the Chronos 16 YouTube channel.
100-foot cable with a sensor on the end that sends back a signal.
That signal is always supposed to travel at the same rate of time at any particular place. The only way that could change is if a black hole approached Earth or something like that, which is never supposed to happen.
But out in the desert between I-15 and Route 93, he says something changed.
At this spot, on June 18th of 2018, I actually measured for the first and only time itself slowing down by 20 microseconds. There's no explanation for why that should happen unless there is some kind of unknown technology being tested nearby that would influence the environment, or if there are naturally places around planet Earth that actually sort of flicker once in a while, that warp a little bit.
And he says where this happened brings up even more questions.
I think it's really interesting when you consider that this site, where we got this reading showing this time anomaly, also happens to be one of the most popular UFO hotspots in the area.
Now, he says his research is just beginning.
The big question at this point is not whether or not we have these anomalies, but what's causing them. Is this something natural that gives us a window, a gateway
what's
into
causing these anomalies?
Or another level of reality? Or is this the byproduct of some kind of weird technology? Be it something secret and man-made, or something that's extraterrestrial?
He plans to keep plotting and measuring these things all around Las Vegas, and he thinks that this could be the first step in proving some of this strange phenomena in Las Vegas and around the world. Kathleen Jacob, Fox 5 News, local Las Vegas.
Thank you. What is this channel? This is the channel Chronos 16 YouTube channel nworeport.me. Okay, so the big question is what's causing all these anomalies, these time anomalies in the area? I think that our expert here, the guy named Warren, exposed us the different possibilities, the different hypotheses. So we have to wait until he finds more informations, more precise informations in his research that would be very helpful to develop the theory of this time deformation, this time dilation, the temporal expansion. That's very interesting again. So I hope you understood what's the subject today. We have this time anomaly found by some scientific, some researcher, Warren. What is his complete name? Joshua Warren, who found this time anomaly in the north of Las Vegas by making measurements with special apparels, a special box, and that's very strange, very intriguing to find that type of anomaly in the desert, and that's very strange to find it just near the Area 51. So is it linked to the Area 51 or the experimentation, the military research of Area 51, or is it linked with the possibility of Stargate, an invisible Stargate, an interdimensional portal that could be in the area? We don't know, and we have to dig it up to make some more research on the subject, and that would be very interesting to make more measurements like this in different regions of the world in order to see what we have as reports, if we have the same time anomalies in other parts of the world, and what's causing them. That's very interesting. And you guys, what do you think is the cause of all these anomalies? What's causing this time anomaly, this temporal expansion in the Nevada desert, in the in the north of Las Vegas near Area 51. Do you believe that it is linked to the activity in Area 51, or do you believe that it is linked to alien activity with the spaceships traveling through stargates or wormholes in the area? Like we could have some other wormholes or stargates in other parts of the world, of the Earth. Okay? What do you think of all this? Please share with us your comments, your thoughts about all this. I want to know your reactions. I want to know what you are thinking about all this. I want to find some answers right now. Okay, guys. Until the next video, as usual, stay safe. Keep watching Section 51. Keep watching all our videos. You can also watch all our previous videos, because we have now a lot of videos on the channel and in different subjects and very interesting subjects. That's always nice to discover, to watch them again or in full time if you didn't have the time to watch them in full length. So I invite you to watch all these videos on Section 51. You can find us on social networks, on Facebook, on Spreadshirt. We have all the links below the video in the description. And as always, I will say, live long and prosper. Keep looking at the stars. Keep your eyes open. Keep watching Section 51. Subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching this new video. Thank you. This was DozGeek on Section 51. I send you big kisses. See you next time. Bye bye.